Do narcissists really know how to make you happy? Simple answer, yes. If you're new here, my name is Lee Hammock. I'm a diagnosed narcissist, and I use my platform to raise awareness for NPD, get more people into therapy, and also validate the victims and survivors and thrivers of said disorder. Today's episode of A Narcissist Explains is going to be about just that, how narcissistic people, toxic people, absolutely know how to make you happy. They just choose not to a lot of times. Like and subscribe. Thank you. She knew how to make me happy. She did early on. After a while, she chose not to. That happens a lot of times when you're dealing with narcissistic men and women. Well, they absolutely know what it takes to make you happy, y'all. Narcissistic people like to study you, to analyze you, to see what makes you tick, to see what makes you smile, so they can be the ones that make you sad sometimes. And I say this a lot, y'all, about narcissistic and toxic people, that they know how to make you happy. Because sometimes when you try to leave them, they'll start shouting out all the things that they can do to make you happy. And you don't even have to say anything about it. They just started spouting off everything that they think it would take to make you happy. I'll go to therapy. I'll go back to church. I'll take that trip. I'll come home earlier. You didn't even mention any of this. You just told them that you wanted to leave or that you wanted a divorce. And all of a sudden, out of their mouth, here this stuff comes. Because like this status said, they know how to make you happy. After a while, they just choose not to do it anymore because they already have you. Why do I need to keep doing this stuff? Hope this. So if you couldn't read the text on the screen, first of all, welcome back. If you couldn't read the text on the screen, it says, she knew how to make me happy. She did early on. After a while, she chose not to. Yes. And this is a man talking in this situation right here. Yes, is a man talking to the situation right here, dealing with a possible narcissistic woman. You know what I mean? Because women can be narcissists as well, y'all. Narcissistic people, and I say this a lot of times on my channel, y'all. Narcissistic people know how to make you happy. They did it in the beginning. You see, that's where the love bombing comes from. A lot of narcissists study you, analyze you in the beginning of a relationship. They just do. That's how it works a lot of times, y'all. They study you, they analyze you, and then they take advantage of you. They give you everything you want and need. They future fake you. They promise you that they're going to be this spectacular person for you. They promise you that they're going to do this for you. They sell you a dream. You know, they sell you a dream. It's like, they sell you, it's like the dream a narcissist sells you is gold. It's like gold plated. It's not real gold. It looks like real gold. You know, it's like a gold plated coal. You mean it's a gold-plated rock. It looks like a chunk. It looks like a nugget of 24 karat gold. You're like, oh, I got some money. Oh, this looks fantastic. Oh, it feels real. It looks real. But once you crack the inside of it, you realize it's just a rock. It's just gold-plated. That's what they sell you. They sell you gold-plated rocks. They future fake the steam off of you. But they show you what they can be. That narcissists show you who they can be, not who they really are. And that's why I tell a lot of people, and I think a lot of people get caught up in the dynamic. Well, they don't know what they're doing. They don't know how, they really just don't know how to make you happy. So I just need to explain to them over and over and over again what I like, what it takes to make me happy. No, explaining to them over and over again is not what it takes, y'all. I'm just telling you, they know what they're, I try to say it in the nicest way possible, in the most, the nicest way possible. Like, they absolutely know how to make you happy, y'all. They study you. They give you what you want. They give you what you ask for. They're always there. They're always around. They're love bombing you. Like I said, and they're selling you this dream. But then after a while, after the love bombing wears off, after the idealization stage ends, they take that love away and they just stop doing the stuff that it takes to make you happy. They get bored. They get tired. They get bored, they get tired, and they want to do things. They become, the selfish nature of the narcissistic person surfaces, and then they start to do the stuff that makes them happy, regardless of what you think, regardless of what you want. They continuously do the same thing over and over and over again. And that's what I tell people, they know how to make you happy. They do. I just feel like when you understand it and you accept the fact that a lot of this stuff that they're doing is intentional, it can help you move on. It can help you heal. It can help you move forward and, live an authentic, genuine life, a healthy life, a happy life. I know it's scary. A lot of times people get in these situations, it is scary because you can't imagine a life without this person. You like, oh my goodness, I just can't imagine a life without them. I just don't know how I'm going to move on without them. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't know how I'm going to do that, And And a lot of people get scared to take the next step, but like they know, like y'all, this. Ask yourself this question right here: are you willing to accept this person where they are right now? Not if they get better, not if they treat you better, not if they become better. Are you willing to accept them where they are right now in their life? Right now, where they are, not if they change, not if they go back to the beginning of the relationship, where they are right now, because they know how to make you happy and they sell you on that. They do a lot of stuff, like in the stuff that the narcissist does in the beginning, they hold on to it and they use that against you later on. You can't say, I never did anything for you. We used to do this, we used to do that, we used to do this. You know, they have the potential of this person keeps you there. Because you know they know how to make you happy. You just want them to keep doing it. Ask yourself in the beginning, when you're meeting somebody new, ask yourself in the beginning, is this sustainable? Is this level of love, this level of affection, is this sustainable over an extended period of time? What are your goals? You know, if your goal is just to clap some cheeks and dip out, you ain't too much worried about that. But like, if your goal is longevity in a relationship, ask yourself what we are doing right now, what they are doing for you, what they are showing you. Is this realistically sustainable? And if it's not sustainable, can I handle less? Can you handle less? Because a lot of times they're going to give you that less, and you're going to have to, like, if you stay with them, this is what you're going to have to accept. You know, you're going to have to accept the less. You're going to have to accept that thing, right? Accept it. Because that's the mindset of a lot of narcissistic people, y'all. That's why I try to tell people all the time, y'all. You have to work on you. You have to empower you. You have to be as strong as you possibly can. Because if you don't, this is what you're going to end up with right here, y'all. This is who you're going to end up dealing with. They know how to make you happy. They get bored and start taking the love away. The devaluation phase happens. They take the love away. They manipulate you, and then like they ask you to pretty much ask you to settle for less. You know what I mean? They ask you to settle for less. Take me as I am right now. Are you willing to settle for less for an extended period of time? Because typically when they stop, and that's what I tell people, when they stop giving you what you want, when they stop doing the stuff that makes you happy, typically, a lot of times, they're doing that stuff to somebody for someone else. They're trying to make someone else happy. When they emotionally disconnect from you and start, and you feel you can feel the shift. You can feel it. Your intuition kicks in. You can feel the shift. You know what I mean? You get to that point right there. That's why I just say you have to be as healthy and as powerful. And like, are you willing to accept this person for where they are in life right now? They know how to make you happy. Once you accept that fact, I think it can help you either move on or do what you need to do. Anyways, y'all, this is going to be a short, sweet episode, y'all. As y'all can see, the I Love Me, the self-love brand, is available now. This is the I'm Good version. When they ask you how you doing, I'm good. I'm good. The link is in the description of every single video, podcast I do. Like and subscribe for more. And as always, mental illness is out. Peace.